Junction City, Kansas at 5 a.m. This is about as heavy as snow as I've seen ever. Unbelievable snowstorm in progress in Junction City, Kansas. And this is just incredible. And we got strong winds to boot, so major drifting will be taking place. Junction City, Kansas. This is at 5:04 a.m. Very heavy snow, piling up rapidly. It's one of the heaviest snows I've ever seen. I mean, you know, every time you see a heavy snow, you think it's the heaviest, but my goodness, this is coming down. Visibility is very poor. Pretty awesome. And the winds are very strong as well. At times you can't even see in front of you. This is Junction City, Kansas. I'm up here on top of the hill in town. And snow is incredible. Heavy snow coming down. I mean, it looks like 3 to 4 inch an hour type snow. It's just very heavy. Quite a bit of snow up on the roof up there. Yeah, I may have to maybe try to get that down. Not tonight though. Huh?
Can I go?
Sure. Ooh, look at that. Highway 18 west of Junction City, Kansas. Incredible drifting across the road.